Setting up your new oven. Congratulations! With your new Siemens IQ700 oven, you've made an excellent choice. Here's how to set it up. First, remove the protective films and take out all paper documents and safety elements. English is the preset language, but you can of course choose another language, just like this. Now, follow the instructions on the display. By tapping down on the touch screen, you can set the day, month, and year. With Home Connect, you can also connect your oven to your Wi-Fi network. Then all you have to do is heat up the empty oven once before cooking in it for the first time. Let's continue. If you have opted for a steam oven, remember you need to fill up the water tank. Tap the icon in the top right corner of the display. That's it, this way. Lift up the panel, remove the tank, fill it up, and put it back in. If your first dish is salmon, for example, you can choose a preset program that automatically provides you with the right settings, so you don't have to look up anything in the recipe. And by the way, steaming your food preserves all of the flavor and nutrients. And that's it. Bon appétit! Find more inspiration and useful accessories on the Siemens Home Appliances website.
Siemens, the future moving in.